Hey, you guys, we're going to a fireworks show. You guys want to go? You want to go? We're gonna go. Here, we ready? All right, we made it to the field. So the local retirement center here, Greenhurst in Charleston, puts on a fireworks display for the community. It's all free. They do accept donations to a local food bank. You guys want to go check out the rest of it? And when I say the entire town is here, you guys, they got a band over there. And look at that sunset. Not only do they do fireworks, they have an entire station of hot dogs and chips that they give out for free. You ready for the fireworks? Here we go. Happy 4th of July.